Hey there, I'm Ryan, the founder of Rise Plugins. Thanks so much for using the Table of Contents plugin. To get started, first you're going to download the zip file. So go to your account and then click on Downloads and then click on Smart TOC Stylist. This is going to download a zip file to your computer. Once you've downloaded that file, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins and Add New Plugin. From here, you're going to be able to upload a plugin. So click on Upload Plugin and then choose File. You don't need to uncompress the zip file from the download. Just upload the entire zip file just like that and then hit Open and Install now. Once you've installed the Smart TOC Stylist plugin, go ahead and make sure that it's active on your WordPress blog. Then you're able to go to Settings and click on Smart TOC Stylist. From here, we can enable the Smart TOC Stylist. We can set a table of contents title. There are 3 different styles that you can choose from. I'm going to go ahead and choose modern, and then you have to select your target headings. Right now, I'm only going to select H2, but I'll show you what it looks like to select multiple target headings as well. You can apply the table of contents on posts, pages, and custom post types like products and learn docs. You can also add custom CSS if you would like. So once we've selected all of our settings, we just have to hit Save Changes. And now let's take a look at a blog post. So here I have a blog post that doesn't have the table of contents added to it yet, but because we just activated the Smart TOC Stylist plugin, all we need to do now is refresh this blog post, and you'll see that a table of contents automatically appears. And you can see that I have these H2s within my blog post. These H2s are what are being generated inside of the table of contents. If I select one of these, then it's going to jump me straight down to that section. Now, if I jump over to the table of contents stylist settings again, and also select H3 and then click on Save Changes, I could go back to my blog post and refresh, and you'll see that it actually adds the H3s within the table of contents as well. This might be too much for some users. However, if you really want to show a breakdown of your blog post, this is a great way to show exactly what's inside of your blog post. Most users are going to only use H2, which is fine. So I think it looks the best and really clean that way. So I'm going to hit Save Changes and switch back to just showing the H2 as well. But you have the flexibility to select as many of the target headings as you would like. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to support. Thanks.